Hello, welcome back to Glorious Brasia Kitchen. Addition, mommy, mobi biara akwaba, and then your baby, simple as always. You and then your baby, vegetable bread. You beetroot, spinach, and a carrot. In contomere, beetroot and a carrot. Brodo and your baby, you. Tiakonga, tenasi mami. Ni fambo bus. Contemporary mania and a media go cold water to maintain the color. Your baking powder, maybe use 1 tablespoon. Vanilla, 1 tablespoon. May use half tablespoon nutmeg. May use 1 egg. May use half cup sugar. May use 2 tablespoon yeast. Yeast. And then may use butter. I don't know, say half a cup. And I may water will have the carnation milk kakra from Monza and me the carnation milk and the water. Ain't milk and in soup a 3/4 cup 2 and a 1. And I have a all-purpose flour 6 cups. Until you shall migrate to me nutmeg and egum the dough. Until here to us. Then baking powder gum. 1 teaspoon. No one can be beer fra, especially in China, and my antachi we yeast. Yes, I will do a ring too. Okay. Now, I'm going to fry. Sugar. Made me baran. Timid in soon as a first cup egum. I have fine. Oh, just let me get clean it fine. Intin soon a crabby, and intin as all the gumun kakran. Our dough is ready. To make trim, Tim may go for 10 minutes near to us. Tim I blend me spinach, min contomin, I will and in okay. Okay, it is the same. Okay, here we are. Intimate me spinach, carrots, and beetroots. Me the air brodo, me squeezy water on the film. Intin, I say paste in that can. Very useful for you. What about incha? Now when I mention this is in the carrots first. Wait till me I share gloves. I just wait a minute. Miriam Chanani. Okay, this is number bayani. The beetroot no so na Mary. Yeah, and tin so I won't pass over any say which made the fry whilst or makes it a salmon. Yep. Now I'm going to marry spinach time. Green. Go in inside our pan. Okay. And a closey fine. Oh, line. It is a closey. Yes, I pay it to pay big way. This is in Eric pan. Yeah, into my roll. You know, we have this one here. It's ready. You have my tea me roll. You should rolling pin. And then carrot denini. Me will beetroot the me channel no so. Yeah. and no man say no to me would make say any flan in one time. It is our best will go through this after what makes it dough now. You add it with your flour to make it one time simple for you. Yeah, you go so yeah so. It is saying and I worry so now sticky out. You add oil. Oh, all the oil neck and very to move it up and down. Okay, what the oil fast kakra. See, yeah go so. It says number be rolling. Okay, in here, yeah, 3 steps. That's the last one. Okay. Finally, we done our sandwich bread. Oh dear. This is take your rubber up. Now it's time to be rolling and rolling. Okay. It is saying you're trying that. You're molded. You're molded. Okay. Intin. Mede. Oh, clean through a couple. Yeah. You know. In major space it will. Okay, this is a medical crochet oven. Then you embroidery money and share. Okie dokie. Yeah, so this is the carrot. Me and Trim, it's 2 days. 2 days now. I feel a mutual any. Nice bread. You are invited to take one. Oh, lovely. Lovely. At least you are eating a little bit healthy. Mommy can't share mom way. Me can't share mom way. Oh, yeah, Hey, with the vegetables. 3 in 1 and now 4 in 1. Nice. Very nice. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye. We're doing the other one I count on soon. And 3 days, so say 2 days in. It's all beautiful.